Good afternoon, this is Mike Oakes with Earthworks. We're at the Winfield residence, and as you see, this job is complete. Of course, with every job, we got some punch out. That's what I'm here today for, is to do all the little punch out items. Honestly, we're just trying to show you the beauty of what you could have in your backyard. So pretty much we started off with a rough slate out here. If you watch the previous videos, you can see all the demo. You can see pretty much all the steps that we've taken as a team to accomplish this backyard. So we have two brand new seating areas. So she has a whole brand new seating / storage area on our right side. On our left side, we have a giant new patio walkway that goes out to a brand new driveway out front, which is everything's brand new, trim-on pavers throughout this whole entire backyard area. Of course, we had Wagner do the pool coping. That's also on the video you can check out. And then we had Tim Pools come in and we did all the finishing product out here. So Tim Pool did an awesome job making everything look super beautiful, blend into what we had installed. And as you see, this is what you can have. This is super awesome. Miss Winfield is very, very pleased with everything. Same thing with Mr. Winfield. Really, really happy with all the contractors that took care of this. So we had the screen guys. Those are guys you never even really hear about or see. They took care of everything, finished up everything, got the new screen in, so everything bug-free in here now finally. Of course, we got the pool filled. Everything's finished in there, so that as soon as it gets warm, which is already that time, they can start enjoying this back patio. So if you like what you see and you want this or any type of landscape, pond features, or just plants in general, give us a shout at earthworksjacks.com.